Hi, today we have this video about how to read schematic diagram. As you know, before we make several videos to help you to understand schematic diagram for laptop in order to understand the circuit of laptop and how it's work, and also to help you to fix any laptop. First thing you must know, when you try to fix any laptop, you must know what kind of motherboard and what is the company manufacture, which company will manufacture, and the models of motherboard. Now this laptop from Confidential company. This manufactured in 2004, and here with a processor from AMD company and Southbridge from NVIDIA. Now every schematic diagram starts with a block diagram. This is here a block diagram. As you see here, now this is processor from AMD company K8. The processor here, as you see, anything with the processor, all circuit with the processor, you can find it here from page number 4, 5, 6, 7. So any parts here, he mentioned the page which contain the circuit of these parts. For example, this here fan control with page number 4. Now CRT connector with page number 18. Here NVIDIA page number 14, 15, 16. So as you see from this block diagram, here for example, this is the processor. The direction here, you can see there is two-way direction. What does mean? Now this is the block of RAM, DDR, I think it's DDR1. So what does that mean, this two direction? The processor, when you want to start the laptop, he sends signal to RAM, and RAM he will send signal to processor in order to start the laptop. Here also, this is the Southbridge from NVIDIA company. The processor sends signal to Southbridge, and Southbridge sends signal to processor to start the laptop. And here this is VGA circuit. This is VGA circuit. Also the Southbridge gives signal to NVIDIA VGA chip, and same times the NVIDIA chip gives signal to Southbridge in order to start the data on the screen. From NVIDIA, what we have chip VGA circuit, we have a CRT connector. Here they explain in page number 18, and we have a TFT panel interface. They explain in page number 17, and we have also a TV out connector, page number 18. So if you have any issue of any parts of data on screen, any problem, you can check in this page 14, 15, 16, 18 in order to help you and to save the time for checking where is the error or where the issue or which part it's damage, which part damage, to fix your laptop. Now here from south average we have connector with the USB. Also it's explained in page number 27. We have with the media card here BT connector, and we have with audio output connector, also the audio circuit in page number 25. And here from the audio coming this audio jack, also they explain circuit in page number 26. For example, we'll take this audio jack in page number 26. Here this is page 26. As you see here, audio connector, this MC1, MC2, this mic coming from the mic, and here HPL, this is coming to from take data or output for the speaker of laptop, the right side speaker and left side speaker. So if you have any problem with this audio circuit, you can check in this chip, and you can check actually this is not chip, this is connector JP17. Here coming 5 volt. You can check the 5 volt, and you have here this IC, this sound amplifier. Also it takes signal from input and out, and give signal for output. Here you can see speaker plus and speaker minus, right side speaker and left side speaker. Now we back to the main page. We back to the main page to try to understand the block diagram. So here also from the south average signal coming from EC, this EC connect with KBC and the BIOS, and connected with the Super IO, from Super IO to Fair, page number 33, and here parallel connector, page number 32, and here FDDD disk drive, page number 23. Now here, as if you see here, power circuit DC to DC, they explain it in page number 38, 39, 40 until page number 44. So we go to power circuit to understand how it's work. Now here, power circuit. You can see here from this connector, this is connector for AC adapter. This AC adapter have minus and a plus. The plus volt coming from pin number 1 to laptop circuit, and pin number 2, 3, 4, it will be the ground. Here, this is Zener diode. From this what's meaning of Zener diode? Zener diode is he will regulate the volt. For example, the circuit here is 19 volt, so they put here Zener diode work with 19. If volt coming more than 19, Zener volt will regulate the volt to make it 19. This is the operation of Zener diode. And from here to this power coil, and to this diode, this will be Vn here. Vn detector 18 volt, 17 volt, 16, as you see. This Vn volt will go to the other or most circuit of laptop, will go to battery charge, and it will go to 3 volt, 5 volt regulator, and etc. So now we go into next page. As you see here, Vn, it's coming from AC adapter coming to the MOSFET PQ5. There is two MOSFET, one this PQ5 and 2Q6. This two MOSFET will control the input volt. As you know, in laptop we have two control volt. One coming from the battery, and the other one coming from the AC adapter. This here Vn coming from the AC adapter, and this volt here coming from battery. So if laptop is if this 2 volt come in same times in same line, that will be damage the laptop, and it will be shorted. So this here 2 MOSFET to control AC input from voltage, and not AC, sorry, DC coming from AC adapter, and this 2 MOSFET will control the volt coming from battery. When we connect the AC adapter, these 2 MOSFET will be open the circuit, and the volt coming from here to here to be plus, and these 2 MOSFET will close the line from the battery volt and take volt from the AC adapter. in order to not make damage in the circuit. Now here, this IC will be charging IC. What he charging IC? What he do? Charging IC, he will take the volt from IC adapter here, and common signal for him. Tell him that's AC is okay. So he will give signal here to this MOSFET in order to cut the battery. This MOSFET will give the charging volt to battery when we connect the AC adapter. If there is no AC adapter, this two MOSFET will be open, and the volt coming from battery to B plus and here B plus, in order to supply the volt for laptop. Here there is many signal from this charging IC. Here you know, every IC he need volt to work, so he take the volt here VCC, as you see, from this line, coming from this MOSFET. And there also he check, for example, this signal AC adapter here. You know, some laptop have three pins on AC adapter. There is a small pin in the middle. This pin takes signal from charging IC in order to give AC adapter order to charge laptop, or cut the charging volt. Also, this IC, he will measure the volt. Actually, when you, for example, when you play high resolution games in laptop, you need more power. So this IC will give order to take more volt from AC adapter, more volt, more power to supply VGA circuit and processor circuit. And also charging IC, he will measure the temperature of laptop parts in order to reduce heat, because if you know there is too much heat, laptop may be coming slow, or maybe it's damaged. Now we go to other circuit. As you see here, every page they write here something. Here, this circuit will regulate 19 volt to 3.3 volt and 5 volt and 12 volt. So any page, if you find any page in the schematic diagram, you come to this, the end of the page. This will give you the address of what is this circuit, or what is this part of laptop work. So he show us this IC here give 3.3 volt and 5 volt and 12 volt. As you see here, this is B++. This B++ DC coming from battery or coming from the AC adapter. Coming and to this IC, and this IC, for example, in pin number 4 give 12 volt. You will regulate volt from 19 to 12 volt, and he will give 3 volt. This we talking about always 3 volt coming from this line. And he will give also 5 volt, always 5 volt. As we talked before, there is 2 volt work inside laptop. Most of laptop, the old laptop and the new laptop, most of them in the same technology. There is 3 volt and 5 volt. They call it always present inside laptop. This if you connect battery, but if you disconnect battery, there is no volt inside. So if you want to fix any laptop, first thing you must remove battery in order to not make damage in laptop circuit. Now we back to block diagram. As you see here from the south bridge actually connect with the most parts of laptop. So here it's connect with HDD, hard disk drive. As you know, inside hard disk drive we store the system file, we store movies, we store pictures, we store data, anything we store in hard disk drive. So the south bridge connect with the hard disk drive in order to, for example, if you want to run any program, if you want to show any files, so he will connect with hard disk drive and give him order, and from hard disk drive coming the data to south bridge will give it to processor, and also he give the data show in the screen, laptop screen. Here in this line also you connect with CD-ROM. CD-ROM is one of the input, one of the, you know, in laptop there is we have input and output. What is we can input data inside laptop from CD-ROM, from camera, from USB, from audio jack. You can also give sound, record sound. So CD-ROM also, so CD-ROM, as you see, they explain the circuit of CD-ROM in page number 19. So if you have any problem with CD-ROM circuit, you can go for page number 19. Here, hard disk drive connector, and here the CD-ROM connector. Here, if you have any problem, you can check volt here. There is 3 volt and there's 5 volt here, and you have data input and output, so you can measure this volt here in order to fix the issue. Now we stop here, and we will continue next time.